Hi, everybody. Can you see me now? I need to make sure that you guys can visually see me. If there's any way that you can chat or type something in so that I know that you're there, that would be great. This should be broadcasting live on YouTube, so you should be able to see me. So hopefully we can see each other. I'm going to try to chat on the YouTube channel back here, so I hope that you guys are okay with that. Move this around on my good. From the YouTube channel, it looks like this is coming across live. So let me see if I can find some chat here. Group chat. Sorry for that little bloop there. Let me see. I'm going to enter a message and I'm just going to say hello. I just want to see if everyone can see that, and if you can respond, that would be great. I know I saw TJ logged in, and I also saw Kristen. So if there's any way that you can chat in there so that I can double check and make sure that it's coming across over here to the Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts is interconnected with YouTube. So whenever I do a live on the Google Hangouts, it will broadcast live on YouTube. So hopefully you guys can see that. I will start briefly with just a little recap. These weekly meetings that we have is to go over content from the week before, and in later meetings, I will be showing you my desktop and going over math or going over other topics that you guys might want to talk about. So whatever you guys need to ask or talk about, we can do here about those topics. I do need to just briefly remind everybody that we're going to try to do these every Wednesday night, either from 6 to 6:30 or 6:30 to 7. This one will just be a little bit of time because we're just trying to test it out, and I want to make sure that you guys can see me. I should take off my glasses because it's reflecting on there really bad. So I just want to make sure I am at my home. Usually I will be at the hospital with my laptop, and I'll be going over things online with you, recording some things. So I have not gotten a chat. So I understand this is live, so you're going to have to bear with me for just a minute. I want to try to go back and forth and see if I can see any of your recent chats on YouTube. I'm still looking. And I'm hoping. Okay. I'm still looking. I can see it. Okay. I'm not seeing anything on here for you guys in the live chat area. So I'm going to say something again, and I want you guys to respond. I'm not saying anything on here for you guys in the live chat area. So I'm going to say something again, and I want you guys to respond. Saying anything on here guys in the live chat. So I'm getting an echo now because I think I have two chats open, so I'm gonna have to double check this and make sure what's going on. Okay. Okay, it says 2 watching now. Oh, okay. Okay. I see that TJ's on YouTube, and I believe we've lost Kristen, so I'm not sure what's actually going on, but we are going to stop this now, and this way you guys can then respond to the information on E360. I had a little bit of a double speak right there, so an echo. So I'm going to go back to Google Hangouts and just continue to do this live, and I'll pop back and forth to try to catch a live chat. Okay. There's a little bit of a delay from the Google Hangouts to the live YouTube video, and I'm going to have to work on that for future live web meetings. We need to be able to, for you guys to view my desktop. I need you guys to be able to not get a double echo there, and it's even speaking over me now. So it's a little bit difficult doing this, but I'm going to send you an email. And if you have any questions, let me know. Hold on one second, okay? I also wanted to just state that the first section is just a brief history about all of the people that have had discoveries or theories that they have put forth and contributed to what we now know as MRI. And make sure that you take the quizzes as many times as you want so that you can get the most points from the PowerPoint. It is really distracting with this talking over me, so let me hold on one second again. Okay. Okay. Hopefully you guys are still there and I won't get the echo. I've put the other one on a delay. So here we go. The first section is going to be on history. Then we're going to go over MRI safety, and then we're going to talk about the equipment section. Then we're going to go back to chapter 1, learn about the basics, go to chapter 3, 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. And at 4, we're going to have a midterm. And it also falls the week that everyone is supposed to be off, so you can take a break or not do any work. Online things, I'm going to have several open. I'm going to open one every week. So if you get a little bit behind, that's okay. If you like to work ahead, that'll be okay as well. We'll try to keep a little bit ahead. Each one is going to be opened on the Monday of the week. So this past Monday, you should have got the history section opened. Next Monday, you'll have the safety opened, and then we're going to work from there. So homeworks, PowerPoint, you're going to also have a recorded video. And I do need to know if you were able to watch the video for the history portion. And if you had a problem opening it, I need to know as soon as possible so that I can upload a different file for you guys to watch. So that's really important. That's one thing that I do need you guys to let me know. Were you able to watch the MRI history video that was part of your learning unit? As we go, I'm going to expect you guys to upload your homework assignments and any other assignments via a assignment Dropbox, or you can fast scan them to my email. Either way works. If it comes down to faxing, if you need to fax it, you need to send me a little message on E360 in the mail that you're going to fax it so that I can look for it, make sure it doesn't get lost. And hopefully the syllabus is pretty clear about what you're going to do and how things are going to run. And each week you're going to have a learning unit. Each week you're going to have assignments that are due. The deadline for all of the assignments is not until April. There will be some assignments that may be due within 2 weeks. Anytime that I upload an assignment, the assignment will be for the first week as you're reading through the text and doing all of the homework that you're supposed to do, but you will have at least 2 weeks to get it done. So going online is a little different than being in the classroom. when you're in the classroom, it's every week has to have something due. So when we're looking at it that way, the online's a little more lenient, but you don't get a chance to ask questions for the length of the class like everyone else does. So as you're studying, it's important that you write down your questions so that during this time that we're together, we'll be able to discuss things back and forth. Now, Google Hangouts on air, we can have all of us together talking. So I can do a live stream of a brief lecture on YouTube, and we could only chat back and forth. But I would like to do a Google Hangout where you were all there and you can talk to me and I can talk to you. And that way, if there's anything we can set up. So Google Hangouts, when you go to Google Hangouts, it uploads in minutes for you to be able to join a group. And we're going to try that. And this then does also stream live on YouTube. So you can watch it if you just want to chat, but it's going to be easier if we're all together. So, okay, if you guys need anything, let me know. Other than that, we're going to work on this meeting thing. So next Wednesday, I'll have more information about what exactly to do step by step. I'm glad to see that some of you were able to visually see me and respond. So I'm going to be very happy if we can get this to work even better the next time around. So thanks a lot, TJ and Kristen. I really appreciate you being here for this first attempt at live stream. All right, dears. Have a great night.